It's David Cinelli.
Ariana and I.
We're both realtors with Royal LePage Signature, and we're here with another
Fast Talk Friday.
Hey, we're finishing other sentences. Okay, so today's topic is
deposits.
Yeah, so when you purchase a property, a lot of people don't know the difference either between a deposit and a down payment. The deposit's much different than down payment. Down payment is what you're gonna, when you're actually purchasing, how much you're gonna put down on the property, where a deposit is much different. How does it differ?
So the deposit is usually due within 24 hours of the agreement being accepted. So if you put in an offer, you have to be prepared to have your deposit, which is usually 5%. You have to have it ready within 24 hours. And by ready, I mean in cash in your account, ready to go.
Yeah, so it has to be in some sort of liquid form. So if the problems and I always tell my clients as well as when we have our buyer consultation is, if you have TFSAs or if you have RSPs, you need to tell your bank beforehand, because they can take sometimes up to a month to get them into your account, believe it or not. Especially if it's like a TFSA, it's out of anyway, there's some nightmare stuff that happened. I know this personally because before I was an agent, my realtor never told me that I needed to have it in some sort of cash, and it added a lot of frustration to me. So thank God I had a line of credit I was able to use. But yeah, so what happens within 24 hours, you have to go to your bank and make their bank draft, what's it called, money order, certified check. Yeah, and then we bring it to the listing agent, because otherwise that agreement you've signed, it doesn't mean anything. You have to have some sort of cash to make sure that it's at some sort of binding relationship. The other thing is too, is if you are offering, like something with now bidding war is happening, a lot of times the agents will say, hey, have that check ready, we put it in, take a picture of it, and we'll give it to the offer and say, hey, we're ready to firm up this deal tonight.
Yeah.
Is that good?
I think that's all the detail, yeah.
Did I talk too fast that time?
No.
I know I gotta slow down a little bit. All right, guys, up until next week, we'll see you next week with another topic. Ariana's got a few good ones.
Yep, we'll see you then.
Ciao.